Okay,
For my next video, I'd like to do one on a company PrunePro and their pruning shears.
Bypass pruning shears.
Okay, so let's go ahead and just do an unboxing first, and then we'll get into tech specs towards the end. Not really a whole lot of unboxing here. You have the shears.
Come over here a little bit.
And let's go over those. You have the safety.
You're fucking hard.
And then the other switch allows it to open or close.
Determines how much it opens up.
More or less. So that's the least setting. That's the most open setting. So they're very, very, very sharp. I mean, you can, that's a mixer, and it cuts stuff like paper.
That's power.
I didn't have any wood to cut, but it cuts through. And you can actually use this on anything if you want. That's a couple pieces of paper. Kind of mushes paper. It's not like a scissors cut, but they're more for thicker, you know, wood.
Put it over here. Stuff
like that. Here's a cord. It cuts it like it's licorice.
That's good.
So they're very strong, very well made. So let's get into some tech specs about these things. Okay, so let's see, what do we have on these? We have okay, so of course I'll put a link in the description on where you can purchase these. So it's innovative material compared to traditional carbon steel and SK2. We've upgraded to 1.4031 German stainless steel, which boasts higher hardness and toughness, and its rust resistance is significantly superior to that of traditional materials. This upgrade makes our pruning shears more durable and offers a longer lifespan. It's ultra-sharp blades. The blades, crafted from 1.4031 German stainless steel and coated with diamond Teflon technology, provide low friction and high wear resistance. This enhances sharpness of our garden scissors, making every cut easy and smooth. PrunePro garden shears ensure flat, clean cut on branches without crushing or damaging your plants. Their sturdy, safety lock design. Our bypass pruning shears feature a robust anti-break lock mechanism that prevents the lock from sliding up and getting stuck during cutting. It also ensures the lock won't break even if it's in the lock position, guaranteeing a safe and efficient pruning process without interruptions. Adjustable handle span with an adjustable cut width and handle span. These garden clippers accommodate both large and small hands, providing a comfortable and personalized pruning experience regardless of hand size. Women can easily cut with one hand. It's effortlessly cuts every time. Equipped with high-tension spring for reduced effort and ergonomic rubber handles, these shears offer a comfortable grip and reduced hand fatigue during extended use. This makes them ideal for a wide range of gardening tasks, such as rose flower plant cutting, etc. Let's get into some measurements here. The cutting width is 1 inch. Hand operation is ambidextrous. Blade material, we've gone over that. So that is my video on the PrunePro pruning shears. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time. And until next time, I'm out.